Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great coupe in our collection. A pre-owned 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. This Mercedes-Benz is powered by all-wheel drive, 2.0-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 62,586 miles. Experience luxury and performance with this 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. Sleek design, advanced technology, and exceptional comfort await you. Don't miss your chance to own this stylish sedan. Visit us today for a test drive. This pre-owned CLA 250 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, power driver's seat, heated front seats, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control, seat position memory. To keep you entertained, this Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 is equipped with Bluetooth, navigation, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, tire pressure monitoring system, backup camera, ABS brakes, active safety system, daytime running light. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.